Welcome to this transformative meditation, focusing on meeting your evolved self. Let's begin this gentle journey inward together. Find yourself in a comfortable position, whether sitting or lying down. Allow your eyes to close softly, like curtains drawing closed at the end of a meaningful day. Take a moment to set your intention for this practice. Perhaps it's simply to be present with whatever arises, or maybe it's to open your heart to the possibility of growth and change. This is your sacred space, a refuge from the demands of the outer world. Here, you are safe to explore, to feel, and to discover. In the next few minutes, we'll be working with the beautiful mantra, I am eager, prepared, and open to meeting the new evolved version of myself. This isn't about forcing change or trying to become someone different. Instead, it's about recognizing the wisdom that already lives within you, waiting to be acknowledged. Allow yourself to arrive fully in this moment. Notice your breath, not to change it, but simply to befriend it. Your breath is your constant companion, always there to anchor you to the present. Let's begin with a few conscious breaths together. Breathe in naturally, and as you exhale, let go of any tension you might be carrying from your day. With each breath, you're not trying to get anywhere or achieve anything. You're simply being present with yourself, exactly as you are right now. Notice how your body feels against the surface supporting you. Feel the weight of your body being held. There's nothing you need to fix or improve in this moment. You are complete, just as you are. Now, gently bring your attention to your heart space. Place one hand there if it feels natural. This is where transformation begins, not in your mind, but in the tender, brave space of your heart. Let's introduce our mantra now. We'll say it together, slowly and with presence. I am eager, prepared, and open to meeting the new, evolved version of myself. Feel these words in your body. I am eager. What does eagerness feel like when it's free from desperation? It's like the quiet excitement of a seed knowing it will sprout, not rushing the process, but trusting in its own timing. I am prepared. This isn't about having everything figured out. Preparation here means showing up with your whole heart, willing to be surprised by your own capacity for growth and wisdom. And open to meeting. Meeting implies relationship, curiosity, friendliness. You're not trying to become someone else. You're meeting an aspect of yourself that has always been there, perhaps hidden under layers of doubt or old stories. Repeat the mantra silently now. I am eager, prepared, and open to meeting the new, evolved version of myself. As you say these words, imagine you're calling to this evolved version of yourself across time and space. They're not far away. They exist in the very depths of your being. They are the you who has learned to meet challenges with grace, who responds rather than reacts, who knows their own worth without needing constant validation. This evolved self isn't perfect. They still feel pain, still make mistakes, still have difficult days, but they've learned something precious about being human. They've learned to be a friend to themselves, to meet their own struggles with compassion rather than criticism. Continue breathing naturally as you rest with the mantra. I am eager, prepared, and open to meeting the new, evolved version of myself. Notice what arises as you repeat these words. Perhaps there's resistance, a voice that says, I'm not ready, or I don't know how to change. Meet these thoughts with gentleness. They're just old habits of mind, trying to keep you safe in familiar territory. Or maybe you feel a flutter of excitement, a recognition of something stirring within you. Trust this feeling. It's your inner wisdom responding to the invitation. Your evolved self knows that true transformation happens not through force, but through loving attention. They know that every moment offers a fresh start, a new opportunity to respond from your deepest wisdom rather than your oldest fears. Now, imagine sitting across from this evolved version of yourself. They look at you with such kindness, such understanding. There's no judgment in their gaze, only acceptance and love. They've been waiting patiently for this meeting. What would they want you to know? Perhaps they'd remind you that you already have everything you need within you, that your struggles haven't been mistakes but teachers, that your sensitivity is a strength, not a weakness, that you are worthy of love, especially your own. They might whisper that evolution isn't about becoming someone else, but about removing the barriers to who you truly are. Like a sculptor removing excess stone to reveal the statue that was always there. Continue with your mantra, feeling this connection. I am eager, prepared, and open to meeting the new, evolved version of myself. As we begin to close this meditation, take a moment to thank yourself for showing up today. Thank your evolved self for this meeting, and know that they are always accessible to you, just a breath away. The mantra you've been working with today is now planted in your heart like a seed. You can return to it anytime you need to remember your own capacity for growth and transformation. Slowly begin to deepen your breath. Wiggle your fingers and toes. When you're ready, gently open your eyes and return to the world around you, carrying with you this sense of possibility and self-compassion. Remember that meeting your evolved self isn't a one-time event. It's an ongoing relationship, a daily choice to treat yourself with the same kindness you'd offer a dear friend. You are both the student and the teacher, the seeker and the sought. I wish you continued courage on your path of gentle transformation. Stay mindful, friends.